Let's get started. Start with listening, and then learn new words and practice them in sentences.
Have you ever pondered over the profound influence of technology on our lives and how it shapes our society? Technology, an intricate part of our daily existence, has woven itself into the fabric of our society, forever altering the way we live, work, and interact. It's like a river, ever-flowing, meandering through different facets of our lives, leaving indelible impressions in its wake. Let's consider communication. Once upon a time, we relied on handwritten letters to convey our thoughts and feelings. Fast forward to today, and we find ourselves in the throes of a digital revolution. Emails, social media, and instant messaging platforms have made the world a smaller place, bridging geographical divides and fostering global connections. Then there's the healthcare sector. Technological advancements have not just improved but revolutionized medical practices. From telemedicine allowing doctors to consult patients remotely, to advancements in medical imaging and diagnostics, technology has saved countless lives and improved the quality of life for many more. Let's not forget about education. The advent of digital learning platforms, online courses, and educational apps have democratized education, making it accessible to individuals irrespective of their geographical location or socioeconomic status. And how about information access? In the pre-internet era, information was a scarce commodity. Today we're living in an information age where data is at our fingertips, literally. Search engines, digital libraries, and online databases have made knowledge accessible to all, fueling a culture of lifelong learning. Indeed, technology has been a game changer, a catalyst propelling us into an era of unprecedented progress and development. But just like a coin has two sides, technology too has its share of drawbacks. Its pervasiveness, while beneficial, has also given rise to a set of challenges that are unique to our digital age. As we see, technology has indeed transformed our lives, but what about the challenges it brings along? From instantaneous communication to vast accessibility of information, technology has paved the way for a new era of convenience and efficiency. Let's delve deeper into these benefits, starting with communication. Technology has revolutionized the way we connect and interact. From emails that reach anywhere in the world in seconds, to video calls that break down geographical barriers, technology has made our world smaller and communications seamless. Social media platforms serve as virtual town squares, allowing us to share ideas, forge relationships, and even mobilize for social change. Now let's consider the information revolution. The internet is like an expansive digital library, open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It has democratized access to knowledge, making it possible for anyone with a connection to learn about almost anything. Search engines have become our modern-day oracles, providing answers to our questions at the click of a button. Moving on to healthcare, technology has brought about breakthroughs that were once the stuff of science fiction. Robotic surgeries, telemedicine, and AI-based diagnostic tools are transforming the medical landscape. These innovations not only improve the quality of care, but also extend its reach, making healthcare more accessible to remote or underserved communities. Education, too, has been radically transformed by technology. Online learning platforms offer a wealth of resources, from video tutorials to interactive quizzes, catering to different learning styles. They also offer the flexibility of learning at one's own pace and convenience. This has been particularly beneficial during times of disruption, like the global pandemic, ensuring continuity of education. In conclusion, technology has indeed been a game changer, ushering in an era of unprecedented convenience and efficiency. It has made our lives easier, our world smaller, and our knowledge greater. It has pushed the boundaries of what's possible, from the operating room to the classroom. While these benefits are significant, there is also a flip side to this coin of technological advancement. In the same breath that we appreciate the benefits of technology, we must also acknowledge the challenges it presents. One of the most pressing concerns in our digital age is privacy. With the advent of social media, online banking, and digital healthcare, we've become more connected than ever. However, this connectivity comes at a cost. Our personal data, from our shopping habits to our health records, can be exploited, leading to breaches of privacy. Just think about the last time you searched for a product online, and suddenly you started seeing ads for it everywhere. It's unsettling, isn't it? Another challenge is the digital divide. Despite the ubiquity of technology, not everyone has equal access to it. In many parts of the world, people still lack basic internet access, let alone the latest gadgets. This divide extends beyond geographical boundaries, impacting the socio-economically disadvantaged within developed societies as well. It's like living in a city with a high-speed rail, but you can't afford the ticket. You're left behind, while the world moves forward at breakneck speed. Then there's the issue of job displacement due to automation. While technology has created new jobs, it has also made some obsolete. Automated systems and artificial intelligence are increasingly replacing human labor, from factory workers to customer service representatives. Imagine working for years, honing your skills only to be replaced by a machine that can do your job faster and cheaper. It's a hard pill to swallow. These challenges also seep into our social interactions. With screens becoming our primary mode of communication, we're losing the art of face-to-face conversation. We're more connected, yet more isolated. We're constantly engaged, yet often distracted. It's a paradox that makes us question if we're using technology or if technology is using us. These challenges, though daunting, lead us to question the ethical implications of such rapid technological growth. As technology continues to evolve at an exponential rate, it brings along certain ethical dilemmas and questions about our future. Consider the advent of artificial intelligence, for instance. The potential of AI is staggering. It could revolutionize every sector from healthcare to education, but it also raises crucial ethical questions. For one, how do we ensure fairness in AI algorithms when they're often trained on biased data? Or, how do we maintain transparency in decision-making processes when complex AI systems are often difficult to understand and explain? Similarly, biotechnology holds great promise, from genetically modified crops that can combat hunger to gene editing techniques that could eradicate genetic diseases. But it also opens a Pandora's box of ethical issues. Where do we draw the line between preventing diseases and enhancing human capabilities? And who gets to decide what constitutes a good or bad gene? These emerging technologies have the potential to shape the future of humanity, for better or worse. So it's crucial that we reflect on the role of different players in this technological landscape. Individuals, for example, have a role to play in being informed and responsible digital citizens. We must be aware of our digital footprints, understand the implications of our online behavior, and demand transparency and fairness in technological systems. Governments, on the other hand, have a responsibility to regulate these technologies to prevent misuse and ensure equity. They must strike a balance between fostering innovation and protecting citizens' rights, which is no small task in this rapidly changing technological landscape. And then there are tech companies, the creators and drivers of these technologies. They have a moral obligation to develop and deploy these technologies responsibly. This includes being transparent about their algorithms, protecting user data, and considering the societal implications of their products. So, as we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, we must remember that it is up to us to navigate through the challenges and shape a future where technology serves as a boon for all of humanity.
Let's learn new words and practice English with the topic: the impact of technology on society at an intermediate level. Innovation. Innovation, the act or process of introducing new ideas, devices, or methods. Example: technological innovation has greatly improved our ability to communicate and access information instantly. Connectivity. Connectivity, the state of being connected, especially the ability to connect to and communicate with other people or devices. Example: increased connectivity through the internet allows people from different parts of the world to collaborate more effectively. Automation. Automation, the use of largely automatic equipment in a system of manufacturing or other production process. Example: automation in industries has boosted production rates and efficiency but also raised concerns about job displacement. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity, the measures taken to protect a computer or computer system against unauthorized access or attack. Example: as we depend more on digital solutions, the importance of cybersecurity in protecting personal and corporate data has skyrocketed. Digital divide. Digital divide, the gap between demographics and regions that have access to modern information and communications technology, and those that don't or have restricted access. Example, the digital divide is a significant challenge as it can prevent certain groups from benefiting from digital advancements.
Thank you for watching. Like, write a comment of more than 4 words to support us, and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new videos. Goodbye.